Hi my dear +3 students of the state Odisha. I am Atmaprakash, your teacher, mentor and coach for the subject English. This video explains Indianism. This is included in your course Skill Enhancement Course Paper 1. In the first part of this video, I will give you a brief introduction on Indianism, and in the second part, I will solve some typical and expected questions from the book Communicative English, which is prescribed by Odisha State Higher Education Council for the undergraduate students. It means for the +3 third semester students. Please download the book from the official website of Odisha State Higher Education Council. Students, now let us delve into our topic. What is Indianism? I am an Indian. You are also Indian. But what is Indianism? There are certain words and phrases that are unique to Indian version of English. I repeat, there are certain words and phrases that are unique to Indian version of English. I mean, Indians only use such words or phrases, but the native speakers like the British or the Americans do not use them. As a result, such words and phrases may be understood by people who are familiar with Indian English, but others may not understand them. The words and phrases which are typical, which are characteristic of Indian English is called Indianism. But in standard English, those words and phrases are not used. That's why if someone asks you what is Indianism, then you can say the words and phrases which are typical of Indian English is called Indianism. But in standard English, those words and phrases may not be used. For example, in India, you might have come across expressions like cousin sister, cousin brother. In India, very much we all use such type of phrases, cousin brother, he's my cousin brother, he's my cousin, she's my cousin sister. Such phrases are Indianism. Cousin is a genderless word, it has no gender, and native speakers never use expressions like cousin sister and cousin brother. They simply say cousin. They simply say cousin. Whether that cousin is a male or female, that has to be understood or ascertained by the context. In India, our sentence structures are often influenced by our mother tongue. Such variations are also Indianism. For example, the use of present continuous for daily routine actions or habits is a feature of Indianism. Instead of saying I go to the market every Sunday, many Indians say I am going to the market every Sunday. Instead of saying I go to the market every Sunday, I go to the market every Sunday, many Indians will love to say I am going to the market every Sunday. The use of present continuous tense for habitual or routine action is a feature of Indian English. However, in standard English, the present simple tense is used to express a routine action. Another form of widespread Indianism is the use of uncountable nouns as countable nouns. For example, rice and sugar are uncountable nouns. Such nouns do not take plural forms. As a result, speaking or writing rices or sugars will be ungrammatical. Uncountable nouns do not take a plural s. Similarly, we cannot use numbers with uncountable nouns. That is why we cannot say things like one milk, two milks, etc. Numbers cannot be used with uncountable nouns. If you cannot count, how can you use numbers? But in Indian English, that thing may be possible. Now friends, let us solve some expected questions on Indianism. If you have the Communicative English book which has been prescribed to you by the Odisha State Higher Education Council, then please open page 49 of the said book. If you have the PDF form, go to page 49. But if you have the printed book, then open page 42. At page 42, you will see a table. You can see a table. That table contains a number of sentences with Indianism. In that table, please see, you will find that there are a number of sentences and each sentence is having some Indianism. And what is your responsibility? You have to replace the Indian uses with appropriate standard English phrase. Replace the Indian uses with appropriate phrase. This is the table on my screen. It is visible, and the first sentence of the said table is, I will be there in 2 hours time. Please read that question again. This sentence needs improvement. I will be there in 2 hours time. Many Indians use such expressions, but the use of time in the sentence I will be there in 2 hours time is not required. The use of the word time is needless. It is just an unnecessary repetition. Hence, the use of the word time should be avoided, should be removed. The standard expression will be, I will be there in 2 hours. Please remember, the standard expression will be, I will be there in 2 hours. Let us discuss the next question. The given sentence is, you have trust on me. The second question is, or the second sentence which needs improvement or which has Indianism is that you have trust on me. Remember students, words like trust, confidence, faith and hope normally take in as a preposition. Trust, confidence, faith, hope, these words normally take in as prepositions. The general rule is trust in somebody or something. So next time when you say, use expressions like you have trust in me. This is a case of wrong use of preposition. The next expression is, I am finding your details. From the context, it is clear that the speaker is in the process of getting some information or details. In such a case, the use of phrasal verb find out is most appropriate. So the standard expression will be, I am finding out your details. When we use find, it means to discover somebody or something unexpectedly or by chance. Hence, using the progressive form as in the sentence, I am finding your details is not the standard form. It is better to say, I am finding out your details. Many Indians often use expressions like, I am going to my native. Such an expression is never used in standard English. The word native is an adjective. It is an adjective. You can say native place, native language, native village, native speaker, native town, native religion. But saying I am going to my native is incorrect. You can say I am going to my hometown, or you can say I am going to my native town, but do not say I am going to my native. Let us move to the next question. In the list, The sentence with Indianism is, it is very much hot today. Normally, much modifies a noun. We do not use the word much before an adjective except in comparison of for emphasis. In the sentence, it is very much hot today, hot is an adjective. So the standard form of the said sentence will be, it is very hot today. Do not say it is very much hot today. Rather say it is very hot today. Just remove the use of the word much. The rest questions given in your book will be discussed subsequently in my next videos. Until then, keep sharing my videos to all your friends. Love you all. Thank you very much for watching this video.